Previously on Homestead Renovation.
No, I'm 6'7", and
you tell lies. We want to get meat birds. In order to get meat birds, we have to build them a mobile coop. Jason got to work on making a door for our chicken tractor. This was a fairly easy project. He measured out the door frame opening, cut all the pieces, and put a support across the middle of the door. You can use an old screen door and cut it to size. We prefer just to make our own. Can your 6'7" self fit through that door?
I don't know.
That'd be cool though.
Yep.
It's a cute little door. I like it. It's a beaut, Clark.
Okay, so what I did is I found an old piece of tongue and groove that I had cut down for something else, another project that I had. Had a nice little angle on it. It's over in the scrap pile. So I just grabbed it and put it right here. I'm gonna screw it there for a stop for the door. All right guys, it's getting late. We gotta go feed the kids. We still got a lot to do. We gotta put the chicken wire around, the hinges on the door, and all that kind of good stuff.
So in case you didn't know, we are bundled up because it's very cold in the shop and we do not have heat in here.
Very cold.
I think it's colder in here than it is outside.
Yeah.
I assume it's because of the concrete and it was closed up all night. But it's pretty chilly in here, so this might be a quick day.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so what Jason's doing right now is he's cutting the corner pieces that go down here, and that's gonna be to staple the chicken wire to. So we were worried about this thing blowing away. I don't think we're gonna have to worry about it blowing away. I think we're gonna have to worry about how we're gonna get this thing to move across our pastures. We might be implementing some wheels or something onto this thing.
Goals.
Goals. Go big or go home, right?
Right.
So this is the chicken wire that we took off of our old coop. We're gonna use this for the chicken tractor. This is what's gonna wrap over and around.
Okay, so what I'm thinking is, this is old chicken poultry netting that we had on the big coop. And it's used and worn. So what I'm thinking, we'll see how it works out, is taking and mounting this to the side just like that, coming up to the top just like this, and then coming down, and that way you can get in here, feed and water the chickens, whatever you need to do, take care of a hurt bird or something, you know, that way this is off of you, but still shelter for them. And the reason why I did it like this is because so we didn't have no predators trying to get in. If I would have done it differently if I would have done it differently, like squared it, I feel like that a predator could have got on top of it and potentially got in the coop. And I'm trying to prevent that. So I don't know if this will work. I know coons are smart, but I'm gonna try it and see. We'll see what happens.
Do the weeds come free of charge?
Free of charge.
So one of the downfalls of using chicken wire is when you have to go to reuse it, there's a lot that you have to cut off to make it work. So if you're going out and buying new chicken wire to do a project like this, it'll be fine. But we have to cut where we had cut previously for the chicken coop to make this a straight edge for the chicken tractor. So if you remember in our last video, Jason said he was 6'7", but yet he needs a ladder to staple the chicken wire to the top of the chicken tractor.
Yeah, that's an 8-foot ladder.
6-foot ladder. Just told on yourself, Jason. Anyone who has worked with chicken wire before will know just how tedious and frustrating chicken wire can be to work with.
Woo! I wish it was a little bit, but I think it'll work just fine.
I think so.
Just for meat birds, you know?
Yeah, that'll be a good little home for you.
Yeah.
Get your pillow and your blankie.
Put me a cup right here. I'm good.
So a review of what we have so far. We have a 5x8 chicken coop. It is 6 feet tall. We have chicken wire that is going down the sides now. On the front door here, we have self-closing hinges so that when you go in to feed your birds, the door will close itself right behind you. We're going to continue to put chicken wire down the front and the back still and get a pulley system, a rope tied to it so that we can pull it around our pastures.
We still have a lot of work left to do to make sure that no predators can get into our chicken tractor, but we are very happy with the progress we have made. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to see more of our videos. Thanks again.